I think that we can still have tech and growth, but I would be underweight tech and growth right now and then slightly more defensive with more cash in some defensive sectors.
We just mentioned the dollar now is at a 3-year low right now.
The Mag 7's not my favorite, so I think it's going to be a market performer. I see stronger charts in cybersecurity, stocks like Palantir, stocks in communication services like Spotify and Netflix. So what I always want to do is I always want to focus on the strongest stocks in the strongest sectors, but I'm seeing more opportunity lower down the market cap phase than in the mega caps. I think the mega caps are going to be market performers.
You got some other names that you're also looking at. Palantir has made the similar move here.
Right.
And this is for you, perhaps a buy signal. By the way, I don't know about these gaps. Do you watch when these gaps are closed? Is that inconsequential for you?
It's inconsequential, but what you will see is when we get a big drawdown like just happened over the past few weeks,
right,
those gaps, technical buyers will tend to come in at these gaps. And Palantir remains my favorite tech stock, my favorite AI stock. And when everything unwound over the past 6 weeks or so,
right,
it didn't even break below the 100-day moving average. Very strong.
And it didn't come anywhere near even the 200 either, which a lot of them tested that, including the major indices.
Sure.
Spotify, same thing. We had Gary Kay on earlier. I like this. There was a little gap here. I think that was earnings maybe. Whatever it was, this stock is picking up some serious momentum. Would you look at a chart like this and say this is probably going to retest at the top?
I think it's going to make new highs.
You have Spotify, Netflix, DoorDash. Why are these names in your notes?
So I focus on strong stocks in strong sectors, and I look for uptrends. So all of these stocks are either near the highs or held up much better than the market. So Berkshire Hathaway, recent new highs, Raytheon, recent new highs. Stock like Spotify didn't break below the 100-day moving average on this recent pullback. Neither did Palantir. So what I look for is what stocks have held up the best when the market is unwinding. That shows me where the strength is, and those are generally going to be the leaders on the rebound.
Palantir? I thought Palantir was really beaten down. I don't have the chart up, but that one so these names, you think the uptrend holds?
Yes.
Is the point. Because you had Netflix and DoorDash on there too.
Yeah, so Palantir held the 100-day moving average. It pulled back quite a bit because it had a really big run. I think it pulled back from 125 to the mid-70s, but it was the only major AI stock that didn't break below the 200-day moving average. So it's still a relative leader.
Yeah, you like that one.
And as you mentioned, plenty of uncertainty as we navigate the investment landscape. So give us your stock picks right now.
So right now where I'm seeing the best strength, if we look at growth stocks, it would be charts like Netflix, which is just below new highs. They just had a bullish earnings report. In tech, a stock like Palantir has held up very well.
Welcome to Blue Chip Daily, one of the industry's premier sources for high-level daily technical and trend analysis. Blue Chip Daily is ideal for both investors and traders of all time frames who want to be on the right side of major market moves and trends. We focus on over 750 large cap stocks, all major stock indices, over 70 exchange-traded funds, bonds, oil, gold, and Bitcoin. Sign up now for Blue Chip Daily, and you will get access to real-time portfolio alerts, premium Twitter page with intraday alerts and commentary, the chart of the day with best idea, daily video and report, and much more. Claim 30-day trial at www.bluechipdaily.com.